Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vivacious Angels, and my name is Aliza. So today we are going to talk about panty liners. Yes, I guess every girl knows about it. It's basically a sister of a sanitary napkin. Its purpose is a little bit different from a sanitary pad. Basically, panty liners are very thin absorbent pads. These are very thin and very small in size. So you can't use panty liners during your periods or menstruation time. Panty liners are used after your menstruation cycle when you are still not sure that it's over or not. So you can just use panty liners instead of sanitary pads. Obviously there will be less wastage. We all go through that, right? That even after our menstruation cycle, sometimes we even get a little bit of stain even after our periods. So that's when panty liners come handy. I always keep one or two in my bag. These are so helpful even when you work out. When I go to gym, I always have one. Panty liners are so useful. Basically, these are very thin, very comfortable to wear, very small and compatible in size. I'm using panty liner from ages. I got this package from this company called Everteen. I'm already using a couple of products from their brand. One is menstrual cup and a lot more hygiene related products, and they have really good range of panty liners. It's priced for 166 rupees for 30 panty liners. Can you believe that? Like 30 panty liner in this price. Even you will get discount on Amazon and Flipkart, and even on their website it's always on discount. And these are unscented, which is really important. We always end up buying sanitary napkins and tampons or panty liners which are scented just because we think there will be odor because of bleeding or discharge. I understand, but it's also important that it should be unscented, because that external scent which they add in these products can irritate your skin, can disturb your pH balance. So it's really important to check this thing. It has to be unscented for your protection. So I'll show you how it's packed. Each liner is packed individually. As you can see, it has its individual packaging, and let me open one for you. I'll show you how it looks like. It is basically a sanitary napkin but in smaller size. So it's very portable and very comfortable. You won't even feel that you are wearing anything. I didn't know that Everteen have such affordable prices for all these feminine related products. They are actually thinking about us, and it's not at all heavy on our pockets. So if you haven't tried panty liners, these are the one, affordable and comfortable. I have used one from the package just for the sake of review, because I don't want to give you any wrong reviews just because I got this package. No, I will never do that. I have already used it, so it's just same as other brands, same results in less price. So I think you should get this one if you are planning to buy panty liners next. So what basically Everteen panty liners promise, that you can use it in between periods. So the next is for light discharge and maintaining daily hygiene. It will keep you dry and clean throughout the day. Also, their pads are their sanitary napkins and these panty liners are 100% cotton, which is great. It is not going to irritate your skin at all. I loved it. As I told you, I'm already using panty liner from a very long time, so I know how to use it. So just give it a try. It's definitely not a waste of money. It's worth buying. It's very cheap. I'll put the links in my description box so that you can directly click and buy it. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, then you will also find links in my bio. Just click it and you will find the whole list of the products that I love. So you can just click it and buy it. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already.